Welcome to English and Haitian course by Jude Angus. Bienvenue dans Kou Anglè ak Ayisyen de Jude Angus. Lesson 13. Leçon 13. 100 means 100. 100. 100 veut dire 100. If we want to write 121, we will add 100, which is 100, 20, 20, and 1. Un. So 121 is 121. 121. A means end, which is an addition. 121, c'est 121. Another example is 153, means 153. 100 is 100, 50 is 50, and 3 is 3. 153, c'est 153. 100 qui veut dire 100, 50 qui veut dire 50, 3 qui veut dire 3. Another great example, 175 is 175. 100 is 100, 70 is 70, and 75 is 75. 15 is 15, not 5. En créole, 175, c'est 175. 100 qui veut dire 100, 70 qui veut dire 70. 5 pas veut dire 15. Donc 75 c'est 75. Another example is 199. In Haitian, 199 is not 189. It's 199. Therefore, 199 is 199. 100 is 100. 99 is 99. 199, c'est 199. Donc, 100, c'est 100. 90, c'est 90. Et puis 9, c'est 9. Mais 199, c'est 199. 200 is 200. 200, c'est 200. 200. 500 is 500. 500. 500, c'est 500. 300. It is the same thing for 300, which is 300, 400, 400, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900. 1,000 is 1000. 1000. 1000 c'est 1,000. 2,000 is 2000. 2000. 2000 c'est 2,000. 2,000. It is the same thing for 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 6,000, 6,000, 7,000, 7,000, 8,000, 8,000, 9,000, 9,000. 10,000 is 10,000. The S is silent. 10 is 10, 1,000 is 1000. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 qui veut dire 10,000. 10,000. 10 qui c'est 10,000 qui c'est 1000. It is the same thing for 20,000, 20,000, 30,000, 30,000, 40,000, 40,000, 50,000, 50,000, 60,000, 60,000, 70,000, 70,000, 80,000, 80,000, 90,000, 90,000. 100,000 is 100,000. 100,000. 100,000 c'est 100,000. 100 means 100. 1,000 means 1000. 100,000, 100,000. 100 c'est 100. 1000 c'est 1,000. 100,000 c'est 100,000. It is the same thing for 200,000, 200,000, 300,000, 300,000, 400,000, 400,000, 500,000, 500,000, 600,000, 600,000, 700,000, 700,000, 800,000, 800,000, 900,000, 900,000.
1 million is 1 million. 1 million, c'est 1 million. Same thing for même bagay ak 2 million, 2 million, 3 million, 3 million, 4 million, 4 million, 5 million, 5 million, 6 million, 6 million, 7 million, 7 million, 8 million, 8 million, 9 million, 9 million. 10 million is 10 billion. 10 million, c'est 10 million. Same thing for même genre ak 20 million. 20 million. 30 million. 30 million. 40 million. 40 million. 50 million. 50 million. 60 million. 60 million. 70 million. 70 million. 80 million. 80 million. 90 million. 90 million. 100 million is 100 million. 100 million, c'est 100 million. It is the same pattern for c'est même genre fait avec 200 million. 200 million. 300 million. 300 million. 400 million. 400 million. 500 million. 500 million. 600 million. 600 million. 700 million. 700 million. 800 million. 800 million. 900 million. 900 million. 1 billion. 1 milliard. 1 milliard. 1 billion.
Coucou mes amours, abonne-toi, like, partage à tes amis.